Greetings, boys and girls. Chef Adam here, back with some more Tales from the Garden. Ginger project is ongoing. You can see behind me, I cleared away all of the ferns that were growing around that little bush there, and now I actually put down like 4 yards of fresh compost or soil, and then mulching it with leaves that I collected. These are like oak leaves. I pretty much just picked them from the curb. I'm gonna spread that out, and then I'm gonna plant this ginger. I picked up some pretty large nugs, and I broke them into smaller pieces. It's recommended though that you let the wound heal up before you plant them in the ground, because if you put them in the wet ground, the open area will rot potentially, and then you don't get ginger. So these have been sitting inside on the counter for a couple days after I broke them, and you can see the ends. They're nice and dry. I'm going to spread the leaves out, and then I'm going to push these guys down into that little area, and then just let nature take its course. I actually have a drip line against the fence there. I can actually run a couple of little offshoots to water stuff, keep it moist and happy, and that's it. All right, I'm gonna get at it. So I have this bush behind me, and I cleared out ferns and planted ginger below, and as you can see, the ginger is emerged. So here is the ginger. I planted it all around the circumference of this bush, and in a few weeks they grew. I also put in irrigation. The irrigation is coming from the fence line. This will continue to grow. I encourage you guys, with little investment and a little effort, you can have your own ginger farm in your backyard. All right, everybody out there, you can do it. Keep it live. See ya.